Hello, how is it going, guys? My name is AJ and we are back with another auto review. Yeah, so today I'll be showing you the Toyota Probox. Yeah, you know the Probox is a very common car in Kenya. It has something that draws customers in buying it. Yeah. So today I'll be showing you the Toyota Probox. As you can see, here is the Probox. Yeah, so guys, coming into the interior of the Probox, as you can see, it's very minimalistic. This is the dashboard. It has two air vents here only, and this side ones. It has lots of hidden features here on the dashboard. It has a working surface. You can do your work from here. That's why this car is used mostly for businessmen and businesswomen. Yeah, you can see the layout of the climate controls. It has lots of hidden cup holders. We have one here, which you can also use as storage. We have another cup holder under here, under the gear lever. Yeah. Down here you have your a little safe. You see it has a lock. You can hide your important stuff here. The glove box. You can see the glove box. It is not totally closed. It's an open glove box. Yeah, you can see how the steering layout. It's sort of a soft plastic. Another cup holder is here on the other side. We have a total of 3 cup holders, the ones that I can count. You can see how the dashboard is simple. It has just one huge speedometer, and the other information is digital. As you can see, the other information is digital. You just have one huge speedometer here. Another thing you have standard in this car, you have your dash cam. Yeah, you have your dash cam here. This is the radio, the original radio that you get when you're buying it new. The other thing I like about this car is that you are sitting very high. This is where my face is. You are sitting very high, so you can see the road in front of you very well. It has a very high sitting. The seats are very high. Yeah, and basically that's all you need to know about the Probox front seat interior. At the doors we have your mirror, and also the other side it's analog. As you can see, and that's all, I guess. So moving into the back seats. Yeah, so guys, moving on to the back seats of the Probox. It's totally different from the front. As you can see, it's flat. The seat is flat. They are not separated. It's a bench, and you're sitting very low on the ground as compared to the front seats. It's totally different from the front seats. You can see where your feet are. It's not too roomy. Yeah, and see this front seat is a typical place that I'll be sitting while I'm driving, and it's not great for long drives, but it does the job. it's not very tiny, the space. As you can see, because I'm sitting low on the ground, I have sufficient headroom. Another thing I don't like about these back seats, there is no headrest, but the boot is huge. I guess that's why the middle seats are very tiny. The boot is huge. That's why this vehicle is used to carry goods, carry loads. Yeah, I said it's a very small vehicle, but does very big jobs. Next, let me show you the engine. And I guess this is going to be a very short review. We were here just for a couple of minutes. That's why we are going so fast. Yeah, but I guess you are seeing what you can get the point. If this video is not very informative to you, you can come over, you can call me, you can hit me up. I'll bring you here, you can check the car for yourself. Yeah, so let's check out the engine, and yeah, I guess the video will be done. Let's check out the engine. I can't open the boot because today we are very cramped. There are a lot of customers here. We are very cramped. Yeah, so let me just show you the engine, then I guess the review will be done. Yeah, so guys, before we head to the front, I've just seen something else I needed to point out. It does not have power windows in the back seats. You only have one power window, which is the driver's seat. I guess it's important because he's supposed to keep his eyes on the road while driving, you know. Analog windows lazima uroll hivi pole pole. So I guess that's why he's given a power window, because he's supposed to concentrate on the road. This is the bonnet of the Toyota Probox. This is the same engine that you get in a Toyota Fielder. It is the 1300cc engine, and as you can see, it's in pretty pristine condition. It has only under 60,000 kilometers. Yeah, it's still pretty new. Yeah, and guys, I said if I'm not telling you all the details, you can still come and visit us. Yeah, and I guess that's all you need to know about the Toyota Probox. This review has been short. I'm sorry, we are a bit in a hurry and it's a bit busy over here. Yeah, so guys, the next review I'll try to be more detailed. Yeah, I'll give you more details on the next review I'll be doing. So guys, watch out, subscribe if you haven't. If you are looking for a car, any car that you want to buy, just hit me up. I'll be putting my number down below in the comments. No, in the description. Yeah, in the description. Yeah, so guys, see you guys in the next video. Sorry about the short review. Heri ikuwe short and precise than ikuwe long with a lot of errors. I'll be reading some mean comments that you guys have been posting down below. Yeah, so guys, if you have a mean comment, just post it in the comments. You may be in a future video that I'm preparing. Yeah, so guys, peace and subscribe and like.